Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life, guys. So in this video today, we are going to be decorating the cylinder vase, and I got that at the Dollar Tree, and I hope you guys are having an awesome day, guys. And everything I am using to create this craft is down in the description box below. So I know I always get so excited and jump right into this, guys. So again, this is the taller of the 2-cylinder vases that they have. So I got that from the Dollar Tree. We are repurposing this candle holder because I had pre-decorated it, and it does have gold accents on it, which is perfect because we're going to be using the gold glitter that I got this at the Crafter Square. We'll probably be using this adhesive versus the other one I normally use, the Fix-All adhesive from the Dollar Tree, along with the hot glue sticks. I have some Mod Podge here in a bowl already, and we're going to get to decorating this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I have a bowl of Mod Podge here, and we are using the glossy one. That's the orange label. And then we're going to put some of this glitter inside with the Mod Podge. Okay, move that aside there. We're going to mix that up. Okay, and I'm going to move that candle holder over because we'll be working with the vase. So I am going to Mod Podge. I'm going to put some more glitter on here. You can never have too much glitter. Okay, so we're going to be doing a portion of the glass, and I think this is a good amount right here, and we're going to be going around the vase twice. Okay. And then it's okay if we're not like even, because we're going to be embellishing also. So I love doing these glam pieces. Well, not only just for the holidays, but I haven't done a gold one in a while, so I thought I would. And since we're in the holidays, during the holiday season here, I like to use a little bit more gold. I lean toward the silver. So we went around the vase, and I think that's pretty much, I don't want to go up any higher because I said like we were embellishing. So we're going to let this dry, and then we're going to come right back to finish off the rest of this vase. And that's what that looks like, guys. You see all the way around. We're going to go 2 coats with this, okay? So we're back. All right, so I already showed you the candlestick. This was already pre-used, so we're repurposing the candlestick. Then we went ahead with the glossy Mod Podge and the gold glitter. And we went around the vase twice. Look how beautiful that looks. That looks so glam. Okay, so now I'm gonna just set this aside here because I decided to add one of these snowflakes to the vase. So I did go outside. This is one of the 5-pack of the ornaments. I think I have it here. This is what it looks like. And it comes with a little jute twine. Isn't that cute? Okay, so I decided to go ahead and bling out this this snowflake so that we can add it to the vase after we're done with that. So I put that aside, and so I'm going to take the snowflake and my pick and my loose gems. Now over here, just so you can see, I have a double row. I cut it twice, so we have 4 rows of the rose mesh in the silver. We're going to be embellishing with that also. So let's go ahead and just put some gems around the snowflake. Just thought it would be nice and festive. Okay. I don't know, maybe I should use some of the big ones. So We'll be decorating them. Let me put that big one right in the center. And that's what that's looking like. Isn't that nice? I love it. It's gorgeous. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we are going to lay this vase down in between these two blocks to stop it from moving. So we're gonna put 2 rows of the rose mesh on the top and then 2 rows right here. Okay. It looks gorgeous. I love glam stuff. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? Yeah, let's do that. Oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. Now the reason why I use hot glue and I didn't use any kind of permanent adhesive is so that I can go ahead and remove it. You can remove that snowflake and place something else there for any other occasion. That's the only reason why I use the hot glue. So this is what the vase looks like, and that is absolutely gorgeous. Look how glamorous that is. I'm absolutely loving it. So now what we can do is turn it. I'm going to go ahead and turn this over. I don't want to touch that glitter because I know it's not fully dry. So let me just wipe off a little bit up here, just because we're getting ready to glue. Okay, so now we're going to use, like I said before, that fix-all adhesive. I think it's a permanent adhesive. It's a super glue. Okay, so we're gonna go around this, and then I'm just gonna put like 2 dots of hot glue just to kind of hold it in place, but we are gonna leave this sit for 48 hours and not touch it. Okay, until I know that we won't have any accidents with things falling apart. I'm gonna go ahead and eyeball it, and once you like the placement, you push down. Oh, this is the end result of the centerpiece vase. I hope you absolutely love the vase. It's beautiful for any occasion, and it is a centerpiece. It could be a centerpiece, it could be a gift, it could be anything. Guys, I hope you enjoy the video. Everything I used to create this craft is down in the description box below. I hope you click like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. And yeah, I hope you're having an awesome evening, and I'll see you in the next video.